Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to search across your channel in YouTube on your PC. If you've been struggling to find specific videos or content within your channel, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Step 2. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account options. Step 3. From the Account Options drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to the YouTube Studio dashboard, where you can manage your channel. Step 4. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it to activate the search function. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily search across your channel in YouTube on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.